All right, let's dive right into today's stocks in news for June 21st. Biocon's just wrapped up a massive QIP. Waaree Renewable snagged a bigger solar project. Bharat Electronics keeps racking up orders, and HAL is about to mass-produce satellite launch vehicles. Looks like a busy day.
Absolutely. It's a diverse mix today, from pharma to defense to renewable energy. Should be interesting to see what's driving these movements and how it could affect their stock performance.
First up, Biocon Ltd. They've concluded a qualified institutions placement, raising a whopping 4,500 crore rupees. That's $523 million. Why such a big raise?
Well, they issued over 13 crore equity shares priced at 330 rupees each. The funds are earmarked for purchasing debentures and general corporate purposes. It's like refinancing their debt and freeing up some capital.
Okay, so they're essentially restructuring their finances. Who were the big players involved in this QIP?
SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund and BlackRock all jumped in. Big names showing confidence, That kind of backing could boost investor sentiment.
Makes sense. Next, we have Waaree Renewable Technologies Ltd. They've got a revised scope of work on an existing contract, increasing the order value by about 247 crore rupees. That's a significant jump.
It is. It brings the total project value to 1,480.40 crore rupees. This is for EPC work on a ground-mount solar PV project. It's a huge project, 2,012.47 megawatt peak.
So this is a good sign for their growth, right? More business for them.
Definitely. It shows they're expanding their footprint in the renewable energy sector. Just imagine, that's like powering hundreds of thousands of homes.
All right, Bharat Electronics Ltd is next. They've secured additional orders worth 585 crore rupees since June 5th. What kind of orders are we talking about here?
A mix of things actually. Fire control systems, communication equipment and spares. So it's a diverse range of defense-related equipment. These are vital for national security,
Right, so consistent orders indicate a steady stream of revenue for them.
Precisely. It underlines their position as a key player in the defense sector, constantly securing new business opportunities. Defense spending is always something of a hot topic.
Moving on, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Ltd, their board approved a corporate guarantee up to $412 million for OVL Overseas IFSC Ltd. Why the guarantee?
The funds will be used for lending to ONGC Videsh Ltd and its subsidiaries. This is all about facilitating fundraising for ONGC's overseas investments. Basically, it's about expanding their global reach.
So this allows them to secure better financing terms for their international ventures, right?
Exactly. It's like having a co-signer on a loan, but on a massive scale. This can give them more leverage in the global market.
Next, we have Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd. They've secured technology transfer for the small satellite launch vehicle SSLV from ISRO. That sounds pretty cool.
It is. They'll now undertake mass production of the SSLV for Indian and global demands. Think about it. They're moving from building planes to launching satellites.
That's quite a shift. What does this technology transfer include?
Everything from design and manufacturing to launch operations. It's a full package. They are going to be key players in the space sector, filling both Indian and global demands.
All right, let's talk about Servotech Renewable Power System Ltd and Rhine Solar Ltd. Servotech acquired a 27% stake in Rhine Solar. What's the game plan here?
Servotech aims to expand its renewable energy portfolio. Rhine Solar has a manufacturing capacity of 100 megawatts and they're planning to expand to 600 megawatt. It's about getting more solar panels out there.
And Rhine Solar will be focusing on producing advanced N-type TOPCon panels, right? What's the big deal with those?
Those are more efficient and advanced solar panels. It's like upgrading from an old TV to a 4K screen. Better performance, more power.
Interesting. Now, Tata Consultancy Services, they've launched 3 new hubs in Europe to accelerate software-defined vehicle innovation. SDV, that's the future, isn't it?
It is. They're establishing automotive delivery centers in Germany and an engineering center in Romania. These will support automakers in developing software-driven services for autonomous driving. It's like building the brains for self-driving cars.
So TCS is really pushing into the automotive tech space. It'll be interesting to see how it goes.
Definitely. They're positioning themselves at the forefront of automotive innovation. The facilities currently house over 100 professionals, complementing over 2,000 SDV engineers across TCS global locations, facilitating collaboration with leading European OEMs.
Oh, let's move on to Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited. They received an export order valued at over $16.6 million from Jindal Energy Botswana. That's pretty specific.
It is. The order is for 12 units of various types of transformers. Delivery is scheduled for the next financial year. That's a solid deal for them.
So this boosts their export business significantly.
Absolutely. It shows they're competitive in the global market. Plus, no related party transactions here.
Good to know. RV Encon Limited is next. They received a work order from a multinational EPC company for 8.13 crore rupees. What exactly will they be doing?
They'll be providing manpower outsourcing services across India. The agreement is effective from July 1st, 2025 to July 31st, 2026. It's a steady contract for over a year.
So, a stable source of income for them. Who is the EPC company though?
Unfortunately, they can't disclose that due to a non-disclosure agreement. Keeps things confidential, you know.
Makes sense. Let's talk about Radhiko Khaitan Limited. They've launched Magic Moments Flavors of India, a new line of flavored vodkas. Alfonso Mango and Thandai. Interesting choices.
They're tapping into local flavors. Magic Moments crossed 7 million cases in financial year 2025, so they're already a major player. It's like adding spice to an already successful recipe.
So they're trying to innovate within their popular brand. Seems like a smart move.
Exactly. They're building on their existing success, aiming for even bigger growth. Plus, it's going to first be launched in Rajasthan and Uttarakhand.
Next up is Subex. They've integrated embedded generative AI into their Hypersense platform. Gen AI, everyone's talking about it. What's the aim here?
They want to enhance the platform's ability to learn and adapt. Hypersense is designed for real-time reasoning, accessible to various teams. It's about making their systems smarter and more efficient.
So it's like giving their platform a brain uptick.
Precisely. They're leveraging AI to improve their services. Disclaimer, we advise investors to check with certified experts before taking any investment decisions.
Finally, we have Lemon Tree Hotels Limited. They executed a hotel operating agreement for a new property in Greater Noida. 336 suites. That's huge.
It is. Carnation Hotels will operate it under the Lemon Tree Suites brand. It's a significant expansion for them in Uttar Pradesh. You know, a hotel is as good as its location.
Another expansion shows growth for Lemon Tree Hotels, right?
Absolutely. It shows they're strategically expanding their footprint in key locations. Plus, it will feature restaurants, a bar, a banquet hall, a swimming pool, a spa, and a fitness center. So, if you're in Greater Noida, you know where to go.
Well, that's quite the rundown for today. Lots of movement across different sectors, from Biocon's big fundraising to Waaree Renewable Solar project expansion and HAL's ventures into space. There are some great advancements.
Definitely a lot to consider. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Right. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.